China has executed 11 people linked to the powerful crime group that ran online scam operations from neighboring Myanmar. Authorities say that the gang was responsible for fraud, illegal detention, gambling, and even killings that caused the deaths of 14 Chinese citizens. The group was part of what officials described as a mafia-like criminal syndicate worth more than $1 billion. But the real story is not just about money. It's about how thousands of people were trapped. Many victims were promised good jobs overseas, often comfortable office work with high salaries. But when they arrived, everything changed. Some had their passports taken, others were held against their will, and many were forced to scam strangers online. The scam compounds have spread across parts of Southeast Asia and are staffed by foreigners who are often trafficked into the industry. Experts say that hundreds of thousands of people have been lured this way. Survivors describe extremely harsh conditions. Some workers were forced to work more than 15 hours a day without pay, and they suffered frequent abuse. Failure to meet scam targets could lead to beatings or even locked in a dark room. In some compounds, workers faced punishment such as food deprivation and physical violence. These were not ordinary offices. They were controlled environments designed to generate money at any cost. Chinese courts say that the gang operated multiple bases in Myanmar and handled fraud and gambling funds exceeding about $1.4 billion. Across the region, analysts believe the scam industry is worth billions of dollars globally. This explains how crime leaders were able to build powerful networks and influence entire border areas. Some families behind these operations were even described as central figures, controlling parts of the local economy. Many of the victims were Chinese citizens, and Beijing has been increasing operation with neighboring countries to destroy cross-border fraud network. Thousands of suspects have already been repatriated as part of this crackdown. Scam parks in Myanmar, Cambodia, and Laos have become major hubs for digital fraud, targeting victims around the world. Investigators say fake relationships, cryptocurrency schemes, and online deception were commonly used to steal money. Behind the screens was a system powered by fear, control, and enormous profit.